Alright, today we're going to go over a word problem, and I just wanted to go over this word problem because it's basically kind of a bit of a tricky word problem that is on 4th grade tests pretty often. So let's just get right to it. The 5th grade class was collecting box tops. Jimmy brought in 1,567 box tops, and Sally brought 2,032 box tops. Juan brought in 7,325 box tops. How many more box tops, did Juan bring in than Jimmy? So, this is a little tricky because they're asking how many more box tops did Juan bring in than Jimmy. So Jimmy brought in this amount, Juan brought in this amount. Now what is in between? It says Sally brought in 2,032 box tops, which is completely irrelevant. The question has nothing to do with Sally, and it's just an extra number, okay, that they are expecting some kids to just see a number and be like, well, let's just add that up or throw it in an equation. But it is completely irrelevant to the problem, and it's just extra information. So you're not doing anything with it. Since the question is purely about Juan and Jimmy, you're only focusing on those numbers, and this part of the problem is literally there just to confuse kids and give you extra information. So let's go to the actual problem. How many more box tops did Juan bring in than Jimmy? So if Juan brought in this amount, 7,325, and Jimmy brought in 1,567, how many more is basically finding the difference, which is just subtraction. So we can do a standard algorithm, and we are just going to subtract. 5 minus 7, can't do that. 15 minus 7 equals 8. 1 minus 6, we can't do that, we have to borrow. Turn that into 2. 11 minus 6 is 5. 2 minus 5, once again, we cannot do that, so we have to borrow from the 7. It becomes a 6. 12 minus 5 is 7. 6 minus 1 is 5. The answer is 5,758 box tops. So, I just wanted to let you guys know that on occasion these questions will have extra information, and to just make sure that you don't use any information that is not relevant to the question. Because if you put 2,032 that Sally brought in into the equation somehow, you're not going to get the right answer.